Hi, sir. How long should you stay in a position before applying for a new position? Kapag ka ready ka na to go to the next level because na-develop mo yung capabilities needed in order to get there, that's the time to go to the next level. Hindi years ang pinag-uusapan. Readiness ang dapat pag-usapan. Maraming mga tao, masama ang loob, hindi sila napopromote. Ang tagal-tagal na nila sa position. Wala naman silang ginagawa para i-deserve yung higher position. So nagagalit sila doon sa mga tao mabilis umangat kasi lagi nagpapakita ng kanilang readiness to take on the new role. So hindi years, hindi months ang pinag-uusapan. Ang pinag-uusapan, readiness. You're showing your readiness to take on the role by showing the capability needed to succeed in the job.